Mechi obi bi obi nya ho a obeti mi ana obehwe me. Media Ene Peter Anochi. We still facing the facts. Because we talks about facts. Me no bedi nkomo bi na matwe wadwene asi bibi so. Said the bear wotena se a wan kasa no obedwene ho ahwe. Common sense family members no, they only know how to talk. But it makes no sense. They talk too much, but it makes no sense. They only know how to talk too much, but makes no sense. Uba program so ano share ni edin komo bisi. Mema wadwene asi bibi so. Na afi no. Omo ankasa ede atena se no omo ankasa asuade. Inti no se mo master no wantimi ankyerɛkyerɛ mo a mo ankasa mo tena se a mo ankasa no mo nsua ebeboa mo. Because ebeboa mo ankasa me a me tu de emboa me. Me de me ma wo akotena se na wasua. Before I met church onima ni nyina mu no, I think say common sense family members for no, they are now beginning to understand one or two things within them. Enti so omo ankasa esan say omati ase say omunyansa swani nti no. If they want to ask questions, if they really want to ask questions, omo master kachire omo say munyai amunku busa bibia. The same teachings no the mama say a Christopher ne kasa omu kobusa asema yesi munyai mamu kobusu bia. The same teachings no ena ode kire common sense family for ne say mo mamu kobusa ne bibia nipa na okasa na mamu me mfi no because nim say mu fi no a enye yi ebekọ akoyi niema bibiri aba ebekọ akoyi ahintasem bibiri aba. Na CSF member biso aba be kana ho a baba be kana ho ofre no evangelist evangelist preko na evangelist no unya wa he okay common sense na kire no ana say ono ankasa na tina ho so evangelist okay. Your fans are evangelist. Yatiase, nyewe. It is evangelist and say Peter Anochi ignorant. Or see Peter Anochi ignorant. It you ever heard the Ebema Peter Anochi ignorant na. Yanko her simbia eye of horrors na semna no de ba or de ebe chesi Peter Anochi ignorant. Shadi. Say any pano so see Peter Anochi ignorant no shadi you. Bebe chere wadi bua. Tani pana wasi Peter Anochi ignorant no. We the see Peter Anochi ignorant no. We. But say wohu de dane kum no. Anke ne dane kum mesi wohu. O see enya abosomsom. CSF ne common sense family say ade no mu di achi ne enya abosomsom, enya religion, enya som. Memo wate ase. Wo de hwene yi. Anke ne dane kum wo de hwene yi. Se Kristo ni the cross to ni komu a unim so yo Kristo ni on kan che okra baga say Catholic Roman for a cross and a dan ku because he bo Yesu Kristo ascendium e wo cross no so enti on de atu ni komu na bi a obo life keke e bi a no na dwene say or practice African culture because ye ya to ye de actually and ye ababa be fa bruni die but oti bruni krum Udi yeni nkomo bi na afi yentiti niema bi ase. Mo ankasa common sense family for no ankasa no. Mu mtimi musebusa mo questions. Ena mu ntimi musa mo master na question because mo master na ye musa na question. Enti so obi so busa na question na o twe mo adwene si bibi so a na o say stop mo se ma mo nkonko busa. Na before ameto waso no wasade ade bi abeto say ono Avram ben Moshe ehye enkom na abam. This is very funny. Minim say mo nim sa story no and wo de be beat mo. On hye enkom o. O kasa now the enema bi to him. For instance, yem fan say president bi ba na se sa president no otimi ma water bill ni electricity bill ye free a yem fan say for instance nti emfa to ho wo ye enti se wo ye emfa to ho na eba mu a embeka nche se wo hye bi na abam enti na na se wasem bia wo kan na abam se me ka kire wo se common sense family ochina bi common sense family begu ochina bi common sense family bewu na se ochina bi common sense family wu a eno no nkire se me so ma prophet bia because it's possible nipa bia bewu eti se me ka kire wo se abrantie bi a wo koi echina bi obewu na ochina owu a eno so nkire se prophet because nipa bia bewu enti Moshe mfa nkoto won ka se wo ka asem bi se President Nana Akufo-Addo edela enu mpo no kura no opeso de ye politics kire se okai nti wodi bibiti a Christopher ba am common sense family for there you don't ask questions me catch us ade na eda ne ko mu no eye of horror so no me bebo bi a kire o mo ahwe se mo de mo mpa adesua enti yenko computer mu kakra because any power we na ono ba kire me say me arrogant no o de ti ono no obi eda ne ko mu o se be de me suni pa de ohun bi da say me say sa ade ne ya abosonso nti no me boa me mabon okay yenko kenkan so say Peter no chi abon yenkenkan bi ne hwade wa yenkenkan bi hwade usu wo fia na so akenkan bi we ko computer so na wakan bi wo kan bi yen hwade wa ho say the eye of Horus is also known as Wadjet. It's an ancient Egyptian symbol of protection, royal power, and a good health. The eye of Horus is similar to the eye of Ra, which is to a different god. Which god is he talking about? But represents many of the same concepts. So, okay, here we are. You go back to the main scene of it. Near Hadibuha. Yenhwe eye of Horus. Yenhwe eye of Horus no ha. Afi yenko achiri kakra ne yenhwe. Se wo hu eye of Horus no. Afi yenhwe. Eye of Horus ne say Egyptian god of king of the sky. Hwe ni ye na usu kan bi o. Ma me zoom ni ye na unya na clear ayi no. Eni hwe afi yenhwe. Any eye of Horus, Egyptian god, kings of the sky. When ye, pa, as a man with falcon head, or sometimes just as a falcon. Pa. What's it? Isis collected the body parts of a husband and used magic to temporarily raise him from the dead. Tio. Sheniye. Yamechona hweniye. Afemu we anamosoma kinkan. They use the short term available to create and hire to her husband Osiris, who ruled Egypt. This was Horus. Tell who the apple. Okay. And while still pregnant, she went into hiding. That is the story of Horus. No, eye of Horus. While she and her servant set murder of a husband who will be seeking them to take out of potential rivals. So, after Isis gave birth to Horus, she taught him to protect the people of Egypt from Seth. Horus became Seth and the greatest reviver. Say afei okay can be. It's God now walking, a God of Abraham, God of Jacob, God of Isaac, and our God Ben Walker. May catch that say Adena da Avram Bembushi Kumun. Kone Kobu San say, or the ebo life. And now one of the one some she that the Komu yede. And now onim the story behind, and now Ukran wunim. Kone cooking can. Namunya hypocrisy na moyesa no mono. Muntimi musa asem. And then I'm a chill says eye of Horus ni no. Sad in ank ne kuta na susu ne kuta akwa na ene that's our brand here na. also obechechi ni kum. Enti mumu se Avram Bemboshe se ade na eda ne kum no de yede. Ade na eye ma no. We na eda Avram Bemboshe kum. Busane se de na eye ma no. We de eda no kum de na eye ma no. Ni nyansa dodo bebrebe a opese odi biti mu nti no. Ene azanti no sa ka kire mu se quantum no Apostle Joseph quantum na oton ama no. For some time now, then done sa. Intina on feel okay. The tautology advert be away. Na on feel okay. Inti say no sako ye ya. So ko dware yo ne nsuo gu su na say yo. Inti say na onya afoforo no. Afede wo hu se waye okay because no nhye da anye okay. Inti wo so begie di. Inti se wo eye of horror na eda ni ko mu no. Se wo si enye som na wo ni story bia dia. Prove the story behind eye of horror no. There are so many stories behind the Ombe Church room. It is a woman common sense family. Na wuntimi musa upenyi na sem. Because se wunim se upenyi na wiase nyanse nyina eda ne trim dia. Ene ye obeda da wache. Odu be wura isum. Enti wo feel say saa de na wo hu ha na enye som. Be kire wo. Wo hu ne se we na wo hu no de enye som we no. We na hunu eye of horror we ni de ene de enya som we no ene de enya som bia ohun ene de enya god bia eno ye wo wadwene hwene ye na study ni ye o aha na afi yento aso kakra na hade yento aso kakra na afi ni hade afi yenhwe horrors no horrors will fight and set over and over again for a revenge and for Egypt. Eye of horrors in the story behind our head. Set forth horrors for 80 years but refused to relent. Eventually, the gods grew tired of the fighting. Which gods? The gods grew tired of the fighting. A race will be set and the winner will be claimed the throne. And the winner will be claimed the throne. They will seal the boat and made of a stone. Determine the winner. Before the race started, Set cut off the top of the mountain to use as his boat. Set an attempt to win, but his stone boat sank. Horus used a clever strategy to stop his boat from sinking. They used a clever strategy. Horus won the race clearly, not allowing his boat didn't sink. You are watching the Horus, no? His boat was actually made of wood and painted to resemble stone. Set finally agreed to step down from the throne. Horus had the throne of Egypt, but Set was still considered the Lord of the desert and Osiris, the Lord of the desert. Another version of story says that when Set's ship sank, he became enraged. Before Horus could even try, he had to fend off an attack from Set. Now, let's pause from here and continue and then ask them questions. So now, tell me, say we a common sense family member. Now who the common sense chia? Have you ever thought of this? Have you ever got time to make a research why your leader, your master, you pa watch that or kwanya or no watch say oh be wenina watch also your common sense family no? Have you ever sat down and thought say I'll ask this question? Asking my master, say, Master, why do you have this chain? What is the meaning? Because I know the story behind Eye of Horus. Can you also explain to me why you have it on your neck? Have you ever thought of that? No. enti se yenso ye ba ba kire wa ma wani ada ho a gidi oma no de nyina wasa ka kire se me master ka se ma me ka. How could you allow yourself be free? That is why I'm telling you, say, we a common sense family member. You are also in the same box because your master will not allow you to do what you want to do unless say or no free. Everybody has his own will, choice. And to no say, "O master and can't say me nkona okoya." Akwai say what disrespect o master. It you kona say okoye mistake. Or catch say me catch say me mfi no. So are you also not in a box? Because we are common sense family nye bibi. Hey, mamu mfi no. But no one can say mono there. When he has something to say, nobody stops him. Ask the management team, they will tell you. Avram ben Moshe ba bontin so obekasa. He don't need to be controlled. Already nankasa no ono wodi ni nyansa na yeba dada nti wu ntimi direct no. Ba wu pese wu busa questions. Na wu pese wo ti niam bi ase dia. Omma wo sa kwan no e ma wo nkasa. O me comments ni rai. Ideas ma me chia ba bia wo bia me nim se twidi ampo Nyankopon na da wo manti no. Wo ni wo busuafo nyina huye. Se me ka sei e na nka cross da me ko mu a. Na me sa ka che o se menye Kristo ni kura nka e bi kura ka abesere me. Aka se a na o de bo life aye de na onim cross na onim de what ma say. Sa na tie. Enti no se wo ni mu a na o hwehwa eboa wo. Enti se me ka kire wo common sense family member se ade mi da mo master ni ko mu na ade no eye sumbi eye Egypt fo sumbi Osiris ne Isis and umbewo Eye of Horus, which you also want to make that research and you will know, which I'm also telling you. Now who the same person now who try say obabe explain no. Who the biswa to ukom ank ni bida ukom and a woo ye di. Say wo ank na da ukom no wo ti ase dia. Dia ntina wo so di to ukom. Eya ofe. And now you feel say you are practicing African culture. Colombia hona out in one practice or culture be and I will na practice woody. Share master no be hamopa because on mamunye free on mamo bre. U Facebook a ube be no nya no toma wo enti mo no control. Said the work catch say Christopher ye control mo sa na all control mu nyina. Enti wakati na say eto da bi no steady we say won share na common sense family papa no yi wa free. Again or they steady wo mo hu say won common sense family papa. Again or they steady. Then or they steady common sense family for say mo ye papa ana mo nye papa. Again na wo hwehwe. But wo say wo hwe na won share na common sense family papa no yi wa free. But wo so hu and you may be what can and then Kabubenya and Kamafafo master and then Peseme Balaifu, Bimbra and Ama member, Nanka catch him some mumma. As Ufi say when you a brandy Ufi say when you and I was also camera and would dim attempts and oh a brandy away or Mumpa Africa ye a brandy. I say Africa unite. Nini man no bono no. Africa unite. As no dimatem no kind of any because say my be can see bi akire ni say omkohwim. Me kura no man kan kire o chinchin atwan so osum busum me say eye som but won so no making it clear say eye busum. E die nti na ba otiri mu sa. Enchirechire mu na akire o say eye busum som dia. Ene ye hwehwe akire akwan. Egypt, you know the story behind that nation. Was he the nation is just talkative? Make catch say omo de sekasa. Omo de omo ye ni nyina no kra ha no. Omo master hu se we de bi no mo ye. Omo master no nim se de bi no mo ye. Etimi nua se unim ade na ye ka akira wa mo ni na ho. Ebi a wo wuti Colombia no wo no mo hye no kra unim ni da. Ebi a wuti Colombia no wo moshie no kura no wu ni da. Munhia ni nkomo 101 da. Age de obegina Facebook so aka akire na wu ni. Ye ka de akire wa wo de Uti baby na uye didi. Me kandi here na achiro akade ahinta wu ni ma chiro wa. Uti baby na udi uye didi na udi atem koso adi atem. Ada wani beda ho no bu se dem chiro. Obi som ne som a wani a bridge na wo se eno say Africa. Na udi som bi achidi a wo fi se eno na eboa because also a third eye. Because they will use eye of horror. Because they believe say no any more sign of protection or the Nigeria kwakushi. Pusumunyuma we may catch the war. Oh yes me. Na say also person will practice African culture near the end day. Yena nanom na bebre na sum bebre. Practice bi no mus abosumsum ade na mokra mo common sense family mo fere se mo beka. Say yebosomsoma, why do you feel shy? Because a part of your culture nina, a part of it. Adena wusuro se obeka. Jitum sa. Na free ma manfo hu ye free. Moshie no no so mra out no njintum sa. Se wo som bosom wo jibusum di. Na bosom bi wo ho. Konfuo bi wo ho. Malam bi wo ho. Motie bi ode ne ye adwuma. Wo mra only free. Because Christian ye free catch us so Christian. On ferry so be catch no. Kremoni so ye free so be catch us so Christian. On ferry. It is a musumo abosum bi. Na mo je hunhum bi didia. Why do you hide? Why do you hide? Come out and tell people. Let the people know. And for the enkwashe baby name dada or people want to know what you believe. Not that they talk na mukano. No. And yes, I did know. Egypt for story no program ma je di atum ko ma gidigidi feel say Egypt Africa ntino there's Egypt for kro mo mu ba akokra mo na ma adwene amusa minua me dem betwe wa adwene na si so sa hwe ni ye na ye nto aso hwe ni ye se wo hu je nto aso mfiri ho hwe wo de hwe ni ye sa se wo hwe I of horror now hello. I feel yaba. The ghosts, my man poso hanegadi. The ghosts watching the fight stepped and set before he was killed by Horus. The ghosts. Which ghosts? What they to us say? But they say one no. Didi. Hey. What's in your son? Hey. After this was called a draw. When I the sun god and the moon god. The gods consulted Osiris for his advice, and Osiris said that Horus should be king. Osiris said that Horus should be king. Osiris said that Horus should be king. The gods. Osiris, so I can't show that. I don't need to repeat myself again. Now let's continue. The gods consulted Osiris. Okay. Horus was believed to be, very important. Horus was believed to be the sky itself, with the sun and the moon being his eyes. Horus was believed to be the sky itself, with the sun and moon being his eyes. Oh yeah, let's go. And now let's watch what is happening again. The sun was his right eye and the moon was his left. The reason the moon isn't as bright as the sun is that he lost his eye fighting against Set. Let's pause it here and then continue. We say muangasa common sense from before no. We say muangasa common sense from before no. Munya time mamu na mukusia. Na fe musa mu master say, hey. Na say na eye of Horus ne tie dia. And also there too call me. Na se wo sin giye de sum bia ye ngi ni o. Senka wo si sum bia anye o. Na we so nya sum ana se Deputy Anoche ka no oboa. Musa no sa. Na ono ankasa ma kirikiri mu nkire mu. Wo de me wa ma kirikiri mu ankire me I don't need it. Mo na be poa. Because you people don't know. Mo ti wono mu nim. Ena wono so nye na adwen so obeka akire mu. Enti won kirikiri mu nkire mu. Because common sense family no ko gina ho a na o kirikiri mu a won nkire mu nkire mi o. O kire mu akire mu. Me makoyi aba no obekire mu akire mu. O mekire mu enkire me. It is why I say, oh, Peter Anoche said this, so we are coming to reply him. Or be chire mu na akire mu. It is so chire mu na mu tia. Don't just only listen. Ask him questions. And if you call him, don't call him to say, Abraham Bomoje, you are doing well. We thank you. Ask him questions. And yes, wababa become what ye didn't know. Dear who be an hour, no, this is John, sir. Busa questions. And yes, sir, what over could do, baby. Me sit my mention what ye bua. Say me, my baba be foul, oba me bow fee me ti Ferrari. Me tika poshe mu nice. It won't root himself away the Oscar. Jim says, Shannon, Timmy Bayan and Bobo Coco. To share me cast this one, I'll share this one, so ja. Person you couldn't jamo, baby. Baby, I'm a do couldn't out him say, quite so fair. Quite so fair, to say, quite smooth. But unim, baby, I'm a do and once here the echo, and I was with you. And out there, car, and I'm quite now, a car here through, road here through, be boo, baby, Jacko, Jacko, a guy, Jacko, na me de woko. Enti wontimi musa me say Jack, na hemfa na yeko. Where are we going? Hemfa na wo de meko. Afo me de wo bekwa na me do akodu nwura mu. Ehu asate se ehye wo. Sa bre na wo bum say Jack, na hemfa na egiren. Jack na wo se ke hemfa na yeko yi. Sa bre na do akọ achi. Sabre no ma take you far away. And in this time around now, when it da social media, no computer, no internet, no, and yet so hard for you, no. Nanka what take you time. Nanka what make your own research. Now one kasa make it time of yourself to know. Adena u follow no. Say ana enye say ya. Say sum na awesome ananye sumwa ana me maka obeye free ni kom na still la ko say asa eye of horrors da so da afram be mushi kom a mesi musa no questions enkodi sa me hu ahinti na wo so nkoto bi nhye okom busare aya busanere aya wo so busanere mo amudidi na chini nyina maka kyerem na motia musa ne se moshe Peter Anoche say eye of horrors there da uko mu no eti say ye kura yenim kire ye yenim so kura na kire ye mo se wan kire mu na na se bibi ye dai e wo ho mane kire mu nkire mu na da wo be pese oba be kire mu no ye be hwe say ye nti Osiris din ni ye nti Isis din na ye anti ghost ni din pa dia na se bia okọ kantamanto no hu se eni bi da ho e no fatu ku Bia kantamanto no nam. Ibi asa na nkrofo no mudi na chi ni na ank ni na omode na ma no musi ja ebi da from be mushi ekumu no musu ye dey. Atutututu bi bat. Say yesi anyesi omode omato bi keke ene ye dey eda omuku. Se wo se kremoni bi kutatas ba na ose a enye ne fefe ni ntira. Onimdie ntira. Ntino. Se wo so untobi na wonye. What I say? Untobi mfa njiji wani. Tino wunim se desi ye de esitie etimu hu a musumunye de mumusa afa yantie ne ehwe ne ende no ye end video no Eye of Horus no mum end video no. Ancient Egyptians believed that the Eye of Horus had powers of protection. My mentry and we nko akiri na mo hwe ni my mentry mra what hu de ekọ ha no ancient Egyptians believed that Eye of Horus had powers of protection. They believed, they believed Eye of Horus had powers of protection. They believed. Okay, now let's continue. You will see something. Okay. They believed Eye of Horus had protection. They believed that the symbol could protect them and ward off evil. One of the beliefs again knew. They believed that the symbol could protect them and ward off evil. Okay. Tinoka said, "Only protect evil." Why that? Sailors would paint the symbol on the bow of their ships to calm the seas. There is a well-maintained temple in Edfu. However, its construction was fraught with trouble. Constant rebellions interrupted work on the temple. When it was finally built, they would often stage plays of Horus. Obi comment say, "You the impossible as believe me, they are not sure." A Christian force GD and that's almost sure. Any more how they say na mujina Christian forces are. So mujidi no more sure they are. How. Okay, one of which involved Horus starving hippopotamus set with spy. With spear. So what the Uswa? Usunya to was here now so I could TV. Yamina make a catcher. A dear na ohe. A dear children and our hair. Oh, Eye of Horus. Osiris, Egyptian god of the underworld, Egyptian mythology, and then the dungeon. Osiris the end of the down. Isis is so dear so. It is a open real history in Padia. As common sense family member, take your time and watch it all. Now I feel no one kasa and who says a Christopher any cremufo na wompe na we na wopedia. The choice is yours. Nti say na tie. Oh, and a done kum clear wa. A done kum clear and a dahono clear and a dahono. Claire, what I say? Kofi Koso say Peter Anoche Avram Ben is ice. You must pay yourself friend money. Sigan there's obetria. Says you can wadada. Then crop for say obetria. But untia why? CSF for common sense family members for margin must say Mushe adada must say what scan untia. Scan you so appended. And scanners already are obetria. Opil, onpil, obetria. Medieval Bokoko. Nisembi Obekembiano. There is a secret code. Now, may ye secret code Ribika crack. Said your person by Bunumu. Be mumamuno. Maybe a ninsemunu. Every code. Because Obejina no pretended, but Odia mohe, it be a make Obejai. Okone na mfufuo no omo ye common sense for no comment mamu mfino mamu mine o munya de okeka no mamu mfino bono ade na wakote ba bi na o jino say hey abranti wahame obeka che don't mind him enso so wakocha ade o si Peter Anoche thank you me be kire wo before I end the video ma me kire mo say you se men delete in kwadia na me fon kire eni na me yi na mo hwani mo hwe wenwi why mo hwe ade a wo kan wa ma me fon kwa ni mo na eche ma me fon kwa ni burewe
Yo, I'm sure for I'm just saying, I'm coming to Mono. Because I said, me back from one. My bomb modena 500 Ghana over the Ayado yet. Team about 2 minimum do her. T as that case here and come up Peter Noche. Yadawase power or Docasia we actually. T with me and
common sense for me, say Marty. What's the way? Eti mo papa bebre ba my amani na ona masido. Da me ona masede. De na my amano. Me ni awe ma no. Se sika no so ma anka se wo fa nko ya do yu. Mi so nko tua. Enti no de. O da mase aye. Ebi asa video no bi obesa delete no. Me ma pressure o.
Anoche na ya ka bu mu a ye sa adoye di ama ya ma me no mu endorse de but kakra bia na eja almost so the atoy there to about tiny mofra ye de aduane ni nsuo aba but kakra bi na almost so the support enkoda no nti
Enti se sika na mu so wo che ni nyina e Peter Anoche na medi no di che no. Common sense for me. Enti no aha na ebi ebe mo ya kakra no. Enti over common sense family fo ni nyina no. Anoche mama mu chiska. Nyankopon wo hira me pa o. Me mama mu chiska. Enye so ono gwa na eke wo besa aka akire mo nka se Peter Anoche. Nyame hira wo. O de me hwe. Ye. Afram wo shi katro wo say. O meka why? On say sa video we so otwa montro o ka kire mo se obey live video ena sa video we no o se Peter Anoche meme ho ahi enye meme ho do tie ne ye o eye meme ho ahi ana meme ho abufuo ana meme ho tan enti no o sika ni bi o de koche. That was the first statement he made. Secondly, osase obi sending sika no every abrochiro se Colombia o se Senegal o se Africa baby o se hi o obi sending sika no na incense se eyeso odi kotua ka no mimi ho hinti no odi koche obeye live video sa live video no mebeka se hwe no anye recorded wa recorded achie wasase omo koya adoye ena wodi sika mimi si onfa nkotua no mimi nti odi akoya adoye hwe Odewe.
Kacha ni 40 tikakra na aka no. Ye dru krom so a na ya che no so e de aboa. Adwena anya adwuma body ne pre. Ye betumi aye de aboa ye hwan ani. So ti edam nyina ase. Straight up.
Obesa ba bi o de mo hwe.
Yo am say many Peter Anoche adoye na na eguso a ya ma me ne mmai ti mommy we dey so do dey ti your friend Peter Anoche. The best of your camera in. Now I said Peter Anoche, I go punch out. Peter Anoche. Why you then we are paying a money. I said, I'm not yes, I found the same. Yeah, that's it.
Moshe no wasno. Deje Peter Anoche asidan kwa. Yesu Kristo ensa amfa mimidi enhye nkon nwere. Oh, uma oje ade magi shire yi. Ye, enshira de ho anempe. Who way no one blessing. Share. Common sense family ni be na wo ya bo odin. Akoji nshira. What you na wo ye dede. Na common sense. So you see your face. Oh, Alexander Jennifer say amino me say enye Peter Anoche nko a o mu a mo pe no kure na odi sika na che na o bo Peter Anoche bia wa o pe Peter Anoche ase bia enhira ne bia ma o say wu me tumo mu nyina nya me nko a o me nko a de se media ma ya dufu pe me tumo mu nyina bo wia onsan kotua ne hoka oh lady ni de na ne ho eyi pa o de he
then we are paying a money beer. As a down that yes, from the same. Yeah, that's
Oh, Mammy Kenshirani ye. Oh, Mamma and Kenshirani you. Bomidine Kenshirani ye. Oh, she come at me, Bomidine Kenshirani.
Your friend Peter not the vessel camera. Now I said Peter not in Yaku Ponshra. Yaku Ponshra, on to move and up, baby, we been rather good. Shramu Papa. Many of Peter not.
And I'm going to show you from a machine, the guest about me. I'm going to show you the guest about me. I'm sure from a machine get back. Sure. And I believe, so BC believe, then they say, I'm not sure. Frank, when you say, Amino, amen. Meti baby na meji nchira but one say uncle tria. Oh, ni and so Peter, you are blessed. Meaning you are also blessed. I'm blessed like I'm blessed. Say who they would I'm blessed. The enyamiti me yen won. What say they will force them. They will force them. Then God intervention will come in, bam, and things will change. Mudiemu. Some of them are not. So on the Egypt, eye of horrors no DHD. Yes, when you are here, I'll say eye of horrors. Shadi. Girl, the young crowd, I am a friend. My name is Nene girl. They are sure see be an girls and on a side chick.
Many people are not here. Do you know the Busua? Them are many and my tip, mommy. Where they swap? Oh, do the G8. Oh, your friend Peter are not. The vessel camera. Now I said Peter not. Yaku Ponshra.
Amen. Amen. Oh. Oh. Amen. Oh. I receive it. I receive it. Oh, with a warm heart, Moshe. Thank you very much. But I mean, names again, so your side chick, yeah. Alexander Jeff, Emino, Madame Simon, Mujisu, Emina, Emini, Shrena, and Comomunina, and Comomunina, Emino, ye, Minamini, and a Minamini, Mini of Bomidin Cheske, ye, Quabrane, Bemena, hey, Mini of Bomidin Cheske, ye, Yamitumi Smo. The God we serve is too great. Now, common sense for me, more where you people dey? You people no want blessing. You people no want leave. Moshe, still go pay your money. Who said to us, can an inch than a saba more? Because to any panissi can a manner. Nani beje, Obasaka say Peter Anoche, Medas yo, Yamisha, so a Jim Sikama, Timoshe, Coutria no so mammy. Why? Oh, yes, you will see Amino, just Amino. Oh. Again, but say the gay city. You name say Moshe side chick, and I say, and I Yahuda sister. Mommy, I you, and I can't say Yahuda and sister.
Many people are not here. Do you know the Busua? Them are many and my tip, mommy. Where they swap? Oh, do the G8. Oh, your friend Peter are not. The vessel camera. Now I said Peter not. Yaku Ponshra.
Amen. 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 Common sense family, mon family di shim. Mon family di share record the mwate. Amen. 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 Oh, and you cry. Amen. 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 Oh, you to papa. Can you man come at tweet because we just easy. Nyamin shira easy. Okay, no poko si Amino, Minia, wow, bet ye mini bia and come out. Yaman Kwama Horting. And Yaman Kwami to you, a Yamunina Madaroma. And then she da Kessie, a pamshy. The moment, common sense from the four. A bushing of fooling in a Miss Mummy to Bois. Namu could tell Mushi who can say some more. Yes, was so Moshe couldn't give money to Yahuda to make up. So there be or say from Moshe is your friend, so maybe you know what's going on. I don't know. Oh, really, amen. Oh, Nana Hema Asante was amen. Mimi one frame. Oh, I mean, I guess I say God bless you. I'm Nyankopon the way shame ampa. Mimi any home church mu chire me say so frame say or this kind of kwa obobo mi di ekura mi di me mada kra mada. I bet. Kofi Gross was say amen oh amen. Say amen. Me mada I bet. I don't know because says can I watch in na me sure say me nkure um di lechi no mu su. Tim say but Peter no che. Eso wonche. Intino o che. But when we Moshe me das ye papa na be men na say we wunyi Nyankopon yi ti ni da na menka say ni nyina say me das say we wunyi hwi ni ti no menim say eye of horror si eno na ugididi a aja okwa na akoka che eye of horror ni say eye bibiti bia no eye enti no de make nyina say me so me das masum de mmomade kese pa obeya mamme ebe so mani pa ebe se amani agi amesi Moshe be ba bo me sempa ma on say go go twia kan twia utwie wi no ma you free twia kan scan be mame hu nye wahi na kan scan be na too many people say take your money go na no etiefo sa na ehwehwe asumdue ne nyina haye be enhire be ho ana mpe unya nhire wani anye menkwa na meji nhire wa wutie mi ahwem bia wa nhire ne bi na menkwa hwe Nyankopon hira ema obia say ose wo hye nkom say yesi the friend is say ose wo hye nkom say yesi obede Nana Akufo-Addo ba de ndi obeche electricity fee the water bill ti nkom hye nti osi Yesu Kristo su ntwere me yay minya Moshe Ali Ibrahim yay me da se imu kutua kan why wan kutua kan de achina sorry a koko na me say agina so koko na me bo pono kin minya utie me na wo hwe me on a serious note. It's about to go down now. Yeni nkomo bi wa hana yemfa asem ni nyina ma na wiye. Minya se wo ye common sense family member na se obu afu me be free mretintin bi si ne a kan wakoma bra form kakra. Na yeni nkomo bi wa take your time. Don't be so quick to judge. Take your time yeni nkomo wa. Ade bi da mo master ni kum. Mehu ena mehu yinam si no ade da mu master ikumi e say esuma de ya abahan mu because eye of horrors ghost but mu ankasa na mu nimu o se de yo ena mo se mo plan yo mini because common sense family no mu ankasa no o mu pushi o mu ena mo se mu ebia mu pia ba ko ba yo se master no kra ka se jayo the deal na oba na obi didi se Peter Anochi winim de okekam Peter Anochi winim nyansan se you se di o kansen bibri nti no kansen bibri obi eni nyina achi no se enye bosom se sen but ene ye hwe ye hu de ekọ eti se wo de me ena maka ena mebu afu mi ana me hu ye wahi as common sense family member wo de wan kasa no your voice notes ana three message Avram Ben Moshe. What is the meaning of eye of horrors? Why do you have eye of horrors? Is it good for us? Yenyina yepe bia na because muna mudi na chie. Enti mu bibi a monka. Mu hwe na mo ntuo na modi so. Ti de obeye bia monka. Na mu musa na mu hunu de ekọ. Se de be a musumbehu. Se kwantum wo se mo ntobi. Wa kire mo de tie. Enti ye da no ko mu a mu ni musa. What you say? Because ye ni de ekọ. Na maka bia kire. Enti mfam ho abufu. Emfame ho bufu na emfame ho tan emuma ye bisa why se me ka asem na atwu na wo mpa a obusa me amenya ntobose yiwa no batem didie kwasia aboa wajimi uye we no it's like as a wo de bufu na ekasa you are wasting that energy because you are angry don't force yourself membe bufu ma won kasa bubu esa ebe how emotionally what I say we are all trying to control our emotions because you're very, very dangerous. What I say, to your common sense family, so sumo wakuma ni wenim kain. Nemum ayat na sena bi hu yesi no ade ahwam de makoma di akora menya broken heart when you have broken heart just take your time ask questions bisa Peter Anoche wo be kan asem wo mempe enti saa eyentro enye no kore se bia wonte ase ntra beto mbo ase na machichiru ti said abrante we die na no chichiri mu no odi matem a I don't know adwene ba nti no odi matem so wode gidi wu utim se di a wo ko be wura fun no mapie kura ide abekasa akira amanfo aya montom wo ase kakra na monkasa why common sense family montom take your time and then put your things right what I say at least with the money bia no credit ba akwa koma na nasapon munsua ne kakra because na nasapon no o kase we bufu no kra na ono no taking the time because he's learning more usua ne ma bibli because no ye Christo ni na ja mo she nti no wa ba common sense family nti still na o pese o tini ma biase o pese o be ye o iraba o pese sebe na chi be ye basa nti no so no so ni ma bi kwa he need to ask muso munye sebi na munya anya atwem no nyesa na akwa eti say you are in a box muso munye free mon try na muso munye de munye free mon try na muso mon de mo hu free sa eyini mu se mu obibi kan onja mo na monka se mu obibi a onja mo na monye se mu ase onja mo eso jam life mam na mo amutimi ye de mo pesa obema mo break esa obe kam mo kasa bo nyina ahye mo break you will suffer I say Moshe why ade say wako chiska wabo mi die say nyame nhira me why ade na emu no ko ne fa ko tieska why ebeboa me pa ebeboa me ne mabusuafo a omo pe ma asem agya omo mutimi nya mmere kura timi hwe me kakre obi ani beje say at least Moshe wako tua kai e de ani je beba fi agya yesusu yedidi a ebetimi adidi kama yeda ebetimi ada kama because kai a unkutua amatam bia yi gina opuno no ne yebom nti so wo pese wo beda so try it to another why neda se wonni bi suso a ahaso ye very good wonni bi suso a but modern say de wo ye video yi ekoka kire eyi e friend say Peter Anoche na ye but modern now de ye video na ka kire mo say CSF4 ana wo de ye video ka say Peter Anoche mesrew sika ni mini bi me ho a kire me wo bi aboa me a me boa ododo me boa ododo kra aban mo sia kra me kwa akogide Moshe uri kache mi se wonni bi kache mi se sika no wonni bi kache mi se sika no wonni bi waso ayeshi kache mi se wonni bi kache mi se wonni bi kache mi se wodi wonni kapre kache mi se wodi wonni hwe ana wodi suma won kura ni bi na maka se Peter yes sika ni ye ni bi Moshe si ye ni bi ntino fa bi mai ule kachire nkura no na afi wo kachire nkura na mahwe se ya mpase wo da osoma mo ne nkura Moshe mi a mefre waka acho se me de amani paneti wo de dakakra na wanye sa na Moshe wanye sa me boku mache Moshe me boku mache enyesa don't angry me minya e abotire nko a uti feel mo wani nyi why go fishie no e stress if fishie no e stress itine mama fishie and stress uti fear calm down what I say calm down by now no I feel it within my instance say your friend say abrante na friend na Nashidi no or hwem na o hwem wo underground tin untimi mbie ena Moshe akora baako omfre no Yahuda utim se ewo no ase enwo no because omo na behwe na clear no makoka akire no bechia mu nyina where you will see I am powerful is where I have told you na Nashidi bechia wo Yahuda bechia wo mumfa information ema no na ono so enhwe na afi ehu ni de eko makra obi bi onya ho a wuti mi a ohwe wa wuji nhira ne emi bia nhira ne bi nko so double wa wo so wuji tu mu se wan kasa na wo pe dokora kira kwa no twedi amponya kopon wo nhira no wasefo nyina be da obi bia se da se bua ye hwe fom ne ehu de ekwa e de niam a ehinta no ebeba han ama wiase no ye nyina yɛni ada hɔ ɛnyɛ kristofo ɛne nkremofo nko na ɛbɛbɔ wɔn akyi wɔn soso a wɔn yɛ biribi papa no wɔn so de adeɛ bi a ɛhinta ba yɛso yɛ de bɛba han mu ama wiase nyinaa ehu na yɛn nyinaa yɛafa kwan papa so na yɛn nyinaa yɛ ho atɔyɛ makra wo bibia kyia wo bibia mo hyɛ ni na busuafo nyinaa kyia mo nyinaa maba